Hello friends, it's your girl Goldilocks here, and I am back for another Valentine's Day gift wrapping tutorial. Look at that paper. Oh my god, I absolutely love the way this look turned out. I kind of love the way all the looks turn out, but I really like this one too. So we're just gonna start off obviously by wrapping our box. This paper is so freaking beautiful. I did the two other gift wrapping Valentine's Day tutorials. You can see those two packages in the back, and while I loved those looks, this paper was my favorite paper because it reminds me of like jewels. Like, it's so delicious. This is my favorite paper. I just think it is absolutely beautiful. And this paper here I got on Amazon, so link will be in the description. Pick it up for Valentine's Day. You will not regret it. This is such beautiful paper, and it's really high quality too. It's not ripping, falling apart. It's very sturdy. Yes. Yes, this wrapping paper is the truth. It's giving me jewels. I love it. It's giving me life. Love this paper. And so I just kind of decided that I was just going to wing this one and kind of see how it goes. Like, this design ended up being like a little quirky, which I kind of like dig. I kind of like. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. As we watch the video, of course, please make sure you like it because you're going to love the end result. I guarantee it. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Follow me on social media. It's goldilocksdoesthat on Instagram, TikTok. Again, link is in the description. Follow me on those platforms. So anyway, we are just going to finish wrapping our gift here. Again, this is a very sturdy paper, not flimsy like you get from the Dollar Tree, but super affordable and totally worth it. So these wrapping papers are like a little bit shorter. Normally wrapping paper is long. This one probably 18 to 20 inches in width, which is a little different. So not exactly something you use on a really large box, but if you have like medium to small boxes, it's to die for. Okay, so as you can see, we finished wrapping our box. Look how pretty it is. Like, you don't even really need any decorations on this thing because it just glows, but I had to use it. Now, these little hearts I actually got from Dollar Tree. I had to have these hearts. I love them so much. I passed them up one day and then I went back the next day because I was like, I have to have these beautiful sequence hearts. And yeah, I think I bought 3 packs and I'm gonna put them all over this packaging. I think maybe there was 20 something, 21 in total. I have no idea. Anyway, they're various colors. We got the pink and the greens and the silvers and the reds. I'm using them all, and I decided to evenly distribute these things. I decided to go with 2 on each side and then 1 on the ends. Look, isn't it? Oh my gosh. It's already looking beautiful. It's just sparkling. I absolutely love this color. And obviously, as you can see here, I'm hot gluing these things on, and it really doesn't take a lot of glue because we always have to remember, even though we're doing these custom designs, it's still wrapping paper, so it's meant to be ripped up. So we don't want to do too much so that it's impossible to open the package. But I don't know, when a package is looking this gorgeous, I mean, you might not want to open it. It just might be too tempting. This could be the gift. Just a warning, if you're coming with any of these designs, everyone's gonna love your package so much they're not gonna even want to open your gift. FYI, that's how good it's giving. So yeah, a very simple and easy design and a marvelous way to make your gifts just stand out and look absolutely beautiful. Perfect for photo ops, or if you're just trying to steal the show at the gift table. This is it. How is this? Oh my god, it's so cute. And like this would also be perfect. Like I'm getting like birthday party vibes from this too. Like especially if you have like a young lady you are buying a gift for, like they'll love it. I feel like they're just gonna want to play with this box. It's so pretty. Look at that. And just with some beautiful wrapping paper and some dollar store items, like your gift will be everything. Okay, so I decided that I had like a little bit of like this leftover rhinestone ribbon. It's like pre-cut from another video I did, and so I decided to use this. And like what's so funny is I kind of wrestled with some other ribbon and tried some different designs, but like at the end of the day I just really love this paper and I love the sequence heart so much that I just really didn't want anything to take away from that, if that makes any sense. I just wanted the color of this wrapping paper to shine along with the sequence. Like I just wanted that to be the show. So I decided in the end not to make like a humongous bow or make like a centerpiece on this wrapping paper. I just decided to kind of like keep it simple because it was already so beautiful. You know, sometimes less is more. Sometimes we have to do a little bit of editing. Okay, so all I did with the rhinestone ribbon is, you can see, I just folded it in half and then I just wrapped it, or I made a bow on the front of the package. And I took the remainder, like the 2 strips of ribbon left over, and put them like on the side of the box. You can see there, except unfortunately one side was longer than the other. Like one side went all the way down to like the little heart that I put on it, and the other side just like didn't. So I said, you know what, it's perfectly okay. We're going to just balance the two out and super glue them, you know, where the shortest lands, and call it a day, you know. So I didn't want to do a lot of extra cutting. I just didn't want to do too much. To me, it was already beautiful. Like I felt like it was a complete project, so there was like not really too much to do. So as you can see there, I'm just hot gluing those ends down, and I can't remember honestly if I cut it or I folded it over. I think I folded it over, each side over, but I honestly don't remember. But you can do it either way. If you're doing it at home, you can cut it or you can fold it. It doesn't matter. Whatever makes it balanced and obviously not bulky is the end goal. And oh my gosh, this looks like a little jewel box. Like it is so beautiful. I wonder if I could like wrap this or use this paper on something else, because it's just so gorgeous that I absolutely positively fell in love. And there it is. There's our completed package. I just love the way this came out. It's just so simple and easy to do, but absolutely a showstopper. Look at that. Gorgeous. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There, we'll give you the 360 view so you can see how it turned out. I mean, I love doing this. I love this packaging. Hopefully you'll try it yourself. Again, get your ornaments at Dollar Tree, and the link for the wrapping paper is in the description.